Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can invite people to your party on Valorant without you being friends with them. So, for instance, you want to play competitive, but you don't want to be friends with them. I don't know. They now have a party code. Well, it's been here, but if you're new to the game, maybe you don't know about it. So before y'all comment, I already know about this. No, this is not for you who knows about this. This is for new people, all right? Anyways, whether you're playing rated, competitive, etc., you're just going to select the party code here. You're going to select the generate code, and this is the current code to invite people. Select copy and give it out to your other people, I guess. You can also disable code. For instance, the party's full or you don't want people joining anymore, you're just going to disable it. If you want to join somebody else's party, you're just going to copy the party code and paste it and then select join party. I'm already in the party, so I'm here. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.